So here we are in Pacific Palisades, Hartzell Street, rebuild. If you can believe this, I was in this house before it burned down, and now here we are back working at this house once again. Hi. So what we're going to show you is how we duct an ERV. The ERV is sitting up in the attic right now, and along with it are two manifolds. There's a fresh air manifold and there's a stale air manifold. And so we go from the ERV to the outside with an exhaust and a supply, and that's two of the top ports. Air comes in from the outside, goes into the machine, goes over to the manifolds. Then the manifolds have 10 ports, 3-inch tubes, and those 10 ports are servicing all the rooms that need the fresh air on the fresh air manifold, and 10 ports and 10 tubes, 3-inch, going to all the stale rooms where we want to exhaust air, like the bathrooms, the laundry room, the kitchen, maybe even a closet or the gym. So this is how we're going to set this up today. Is we've got the manifolds, we're running the tubes, and the tubes are going to each room. Each room is usually getting about 2 tubes, and so we're going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so right there is a diffuser. It's round tube. We also have them rectangular as well, but in this case really matches up with the recessed lighting. And so we've got a 3-inch tube, as you can see, and it makes its way all the way to the manifold. And there's another one right there. So this room is getting 2 tubes. And then we go over here into the bathroom, and we have exhaust in the bathroom. Here's one. We haven't run the tube to it yet, but we did set it, and it's lined up with the recessed light. And again, we've got another one right here. Tube still needs to be run to it, but we're almost done running tubes. You'll see them throughout the whole house already. And this is a client that I've installed ERVs for in the past. And he's always valued the fresh filtered air. On the downstairs, this area is really pretty wide open. He lives kind of wide open, he and his wife, and he does have 2 children. And but upstairs they definitely wanted to have ERV and whole house ventilation in the bedrooms and the bathrooms. And so that's what we're doing today. We are installing an Aldi's Inspire Air top port 265 CFM ERV up here in the attic. So we'll go up there in a second, but right now we can see Saul's trying to get the sidewall vent ready to install. We're using a roof vent gooseneck. And over here we've got our roof jack that we're going to use. And the unit is right up there. So we're going to go up there now. Okay, so we're up in the attic right now. And there's our machine right there. It's actually next to the heat pump. And our system is going to duct straight out of the roof here for exhaust. And do you see way down there is Judy? You can see her. Oops. And she's getting ready to connect ductwork to a sidewall exhaust vent. Supply. So we're bringing air in from the sidewall at the back of the house there, bringing it in to the machine. From the machine, we're going straight out of the roof to a T-top with mesh. From the machine, we're going over to the fresh air manifold. And from the machine, we're going over to the stale air manifold. And you can see the stale air manifold only has 2 tubes left to install, which we saw those in one of those bathrooms. And we can see that the fresh air manifold still has 4 tubes to install. And then that's done. And it's all nicely strapped because we like everything to look really good. And there's another couple of holes that we had to drill. But other than that, this was almost a no drill. The hole hog is the main tool we use. And 3.5 inch hole saw, because we're pulling 3-inch tube through the holes. So thank you for joining me today and watching this video on how you install an ERV and how the ventilation kits can help you do your job installing an ERV. We sell ERVs, and we also sell our kits without ERVs if you just want the kit. So we can sell you a complete system and size that for you and go off of your plan set, or we can just let you buy whichever size kit you want. We have 4-port, 6-port, 8-port, and 10-port kits. So please take a look at our website at ventilationkits.com. And again, thank you for watching.